Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to see about the application virtualization in cloud computing and its applications. First one, the introduction of the virtualization. Virtualization creates a virtual versions of the computing resources. It allows the multiple environments on the single physical system and it improves the resource utilization and the flexibility. It widely used in the cloud computing. Next, we have the problem statement. The company needs to run an old accounting application on the multiple computers, but the software works on the specific operating systems. It conflicts with the other installed programs. How can the company run in the application on a different system without installing it on the every machine without causing the compatibility issues? So here the solution will be the hardware virtualizations. The user in empathize stage, the user needs compatibility issues, system environment. In the define, it is a legacy application installation complexity and the access requirement. In ideate phase, we find that virtualization idea and the application isolation and the virtual environment. The fourth stage will be the prototype stage. In prototype stage, we found that virtual packages and virtualization layers, application deployments. The final stage will be the testing phase. In testing phase, we check the functionality and the cross-system compatibility and the performance evaluations. Then application virtualization, it virtualizes the individual applications. Application run in the virtual environment. Here the no need for the traditional installation and also known as an process level virtualizations. Here the traditional application executions, the application run as an process in the OS, directly access system resources and the application must be installed on the each computer, may cause the software conflicts. The concept of application virtualization will be runtime environment will be the virtual and then appears to interact with the real operating system and the application can be isolated from each other and it improves the compatibility and portability. And then next will be the virtualization layer. Application virtualization uses a virtualization layer, works between the application and operating systems, and replaces the part of the runtime environment and it manages the application execution and resources. Next one will be the disk operation virtualization. Here, virtualization layer intercept the disk operations. It redirects the operations to the virtual storage locations and then it often stores as a single virtual file. Application remains unaware of the virtualizations. Next one will be the working mechanism. The application access virtual resources instead of the physical ones. The virtualization layer manages the files and the resource accesses and then multiple application can run independently. It enables side-by-side application executions. Next one will be the high-level language virtualizations. Common approaches use as an HLL, that is a high-level language virtual machines. Virtualization layer runs on the top of the OS. It provides an abstract mechanism environment, machine environment. The programs compiled for the virtual machine can run on any systems. Next one, benefits of the application virtualizations. Here we uses the fewer system resources and simplifies the operating system migrations. It enables a portable application and it reduces the software conflicts. It improves the application management. The limitation of the application virtualization will be not all the applications support virtualization, but some applications need the direct hardware accesses. Many causes a performance overhead and then complex applications may not work properly. Next, conclusions. The application virtualization improves the portability and isolation. It also reduces the installation and compatibility issues and it helps run the application efficiently in the cloud environments. Important technology in the modern IT infrastructures. Here we have the two assessment questions. If you are an IT company employee, when an old accounting software works only on the window, but the employee uses a window Mac and the Linux system, installing the software on the every computer causes a conflict. So, in which technology can we use run an application on the system without installing it anywhere? The answer will be the application virtualization. Thank you.